In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor for free. Elementor is a powerful, easy-to-use page builder that allows you to design stunning web pages with its drag-and-drop functionality. It's perfect for those who are new to web design as well as seasoned developers looking to streamline their workflow. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to get started with Elementor without spending a dime, from installing it to getting your hands on the versatile editing tools. Let's dive right into the process, starting with how to install it via the WordPress dashboard. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're there, look over to the left menu and click on Plugins. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Add New. This is your gateway to accessing a wide variety of plugins that can enhance your website. Next, you need to search for Elementor. In the search bar at the top right corner of your screen, type in Elementor Website Builder. Elementor should appear near the top of the list that pops up. You'll see the familiar Elementor logo, making it easy to spot. With Elementor in your site, the next step is to click Install Now. Your WordPress will then start downloading the necessary files to get the plugin up and running. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on that, and Elementor is now part of your WordPress setup, ready to bring your creative visions to life. Now that we've got Elementor installed, let's move on to the fun part, using the Elementor editor. Begin by heading over to your WordPress pages. To do this, select Pages from the navigation menu, and here you have the option to create a new page or work with an existing one. Once you've decided which page you want to work on, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor, a visual editing area that brings your changes to life instantly. Inside the editor, you'll find a collection of widgets on the left-hand side. These allow you to insert various types of content, from headings and text blocks to images, videos, and buttons. All you have to do is drag and drop a widget onto your page. It's really as simple as that. You can see your changes happening right before your eyes, which, trust me, makes the design process not only easier, but also more exciting. Using Elementor's drag and drop tools, you can arrange and customize every feature to suit your style perfectly. So, whether you're looking to design a simple page or build something more complex, the tools are now in your hands. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment and explore the various settings and styles available to unlock Elementor's full potential. And there you have it. You're now ready to start creating beautiful web pages using Elementor without any cost. Enjoy building and expressing your creativity with this fantastic tool.